Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a credit card with the Bancorp Bank beginner guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have all necessary documentation ready for the application process. Visit the Bancorp Bank's official website to access their credit card offerings. Select the type of credit card that suits your needs. Review the card features, fees, and rewards associated with your chosen card. Click on the Apply Now button to begin the application process. Fill out the online application form with your personal information. Provide your financial details, including income and employment status. Upload any required documentation, such as proof of identity or income. Review your application for accuracy before submitting it. After submission, you will receive a confirmation message on your application status. Monitor your email for updates regarding your credit card application. Once approved, you will receive your credit card in the mail within a few business days. Follow the instructions provided with your card to activate it. Set up online banking for easier management of your credit card account. Familiarize yourself with the interest rates and payment due dates to avoid late fees. Lastly, regularly review your account statements to track your spending and rewards. Congratulations! You are now ready to effectively use your new credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.